Moodmats are non-stop, limited edition ones especially. Gotta keep those in stock. You know it, Famular. Oh, this fish guy's pretty tight. I fuck with him. Way out of stock. Dope one. Wow. Sick ass fucking Crystal Star Farms. Hank Hill, what's good? Whoa. Hey, Lion. Hey, Costa Rican cat. Wow. Las Vegas, we like you. It's good vibes. Kaleidoscopes. Dope fucking kaleidoscopes. A few RJs. Got one more. Sherlock Holmes. Wow. You said it, man. Hendy. Rude Boy. Slinger. Blue Glass. Some more Hank Hill. Some of these awesome Fortunate Youth. Some Muller. Some dragons. Some more dragons. Some Coil. Some Lord. Some cool looking cats around these here parts. Whew. Some fire designs hidden in here. They're going on the site soon.